जय पर्यावरण एवरीवन। विद्या ददाति विनयं विनयाद् याति पात्रतां पात्रत्वात् धनमाप्नोति धनाद् धर्म ततः सुखम। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है विद्या विनय देती है, विनय से पात्रता आती है, पात्रता से धन मिलता है, धन से धर्म और धर्म से सुख प्राप्त होता है।
Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are healthy and safe at your place. Today we are going to read chapter number 4, Teeth and Microbes from Science part. Let's learn about teeth, different kind of teeth, part of tooth, tooth decay, tips to keep our teeth and gums healthy, microbes. We have a variety of teeth. Teeth help in biting and cutting food into pieces and chewing. Food is easily digested when it is chewed properly. Teeth also help us to speak clearly. Teeth. The number of teeth that someone has usually depend on his or her age. A newborn baby doesn't have any teeth. The first tooth appears during the first 6 months. At the age of 2 to 3 years, a baby has 20 primary teeth, which are also known as milk teeth or temporary teeth. At the age of 5 to 6 years, milk teeth start falling out one by one and new teeth grow in their places. These new teeth are called permanent teeth. These teeth don't fall on their own. An adult has 32 permanent teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Different kind of teeth. Human teeth are classified into incisor, canines, premolars and molars. All our teeth have the same basic structure but they differ in size, shape, number and functions. Incisor or cutting teeth. The 4 front teeth in both the upper and lower jaw are called incisors. There are 8 incisors in our mouth. These are broad and flat teeth with a narrow edge. They are used for cutting and biting food. Canines or tearing teeth. These are 4 in numbers and are present on either sides of the incisor in each jaw. These are the most stable teeth in the mouth. They help in tearing tough food such as meat. Premolar or cracking teeth. These are broad teeth located next to canines. They are 8 in numbers and 4 in each jaw. They help in cracking and chewing the food. Molars or grinding teeth. These are broader than the premolars and lies next to them in the interior of each jaw. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They help in chewing and grinding food. Part of a tooth. The human tooth has 2 parts, the crown and the root. The part of tooth which we can see when we smile is called the crown. The part of tooth which we cannot see and it's present deep inside the gums is called the root. Inner part of the tooth. A human tooth consists of 3 layers: enamel, dentine and pulp. Enamel is the outer layer that is visible. It is used for chewing Enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. But once it is worn out or chipped, it cannot be naturally repaired. Dentine is the layer under the enamel. Dentine is less hard than the enamel and protect the pulp of the tooth. Pulp is the innermost layer. It is made up of nerves and blood vessels. Our teeth get nourishment through the pulp. Tooth decay. Tooth decay occurs more commonly in children than adults. The main cause of tooth decay is bacterial infection. Whenever we eat food, small food particles get stuck between the teeth. If the teeth are not brushed regularly and properly, food particles stuck on them leads to growth of bacteria. These bacteria produce acid that damage the enamel, the protective layer of our teeth. They also form a sticky coating called plaque that damages the dentine, and finally the pulp that thus causing holes called cavities. Plaque also causes gum disease that can make our gums red, swollen and sore. Tooth decay in children occur due to excessive eating of candies and chocolates. If you don't take care of your teeth and gums, infection will occur in the whole mouth, resulting in falling of teeth and pain. Thus, eating meals will become very difficult. Tips to keep teeth and gums healthy. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, every morning and every night before going to bed. Rinse your mouth after eating or drinking anything. Clean your tongue with the help of a tongue cleaner to remove bacteria. Floss your teeth. Flossing helps to remove the food particles stuck between teeth. Your dentist can help you learn the correct way of doing it. Avoid sugary food. Limit the number of snacks and meals to 5 or 6 times a day. Don't keep munching snacks all day long as they stick to your teeth and cause decay. After eating citrus fruits like orange or juices, rinse your mouth with water as the acid present in them can weaken the enamel. Eat food that are rich in calcium and vitamin C as they are important for healthy teeth and gums. Wear a mouth guard when playing active sports. Use a good toothpaste and toothbrush. Visit your dentist once in every 6 months. Microbes. Microbes are very small organisms. They cannot be seen with naked eyes. They can only be seen through a microscope. Microbes are found everywhere. They can be found in air, water, soil, food, and also in and outside the bodies of animals. Some microbes are useful to us while some are harmful. The microbes which causes disease are called germs. Kinds of microbes. There are 4 main kinds of microbes: bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. Bacteria. These are single-celled microorganisms. They causes disease like tuberculosis, diphtheria and typhoid. Virus. These are very minute organisms which cannot be seen with an ordinary microscope. They cause disease like flu, measles, common cold and mumps. Protozoa. There are also single-celled These are also single-celled microbes. Most of them are harmless, but some can cause disease like malaria and dysentery. Fungi. These are plants like organisms which grow on decaying matter. Some fungi attacks the human skin and causes disease like ringworm. Useful microbes. There are some microbes which are useful to us. They help us in many ways as given below. Some bacteria changes milk into curd and some helps in making cheese. They help in baking bread and making wines. They help in the decay of dead plants and animals. Some bacteria help to digest food in animals. Some bacteria produce vitamins in our body. Key term: incisor, cutting teeth; canines, tearing teeth; molars, chewing and grinding teeth; flossing, the act of cleaning between teeth using dental floss. Now I know good and healthy teeth make us look and feel good. They help us speak clearly and help in chewing food. We have four types of teeth: incisor, canines, premolars and molars. A tooth has two parts, crown and roots. A tooth consists of three layers: enamel, dentine and pulp. Eating sticky foods too often and improper brushing of teeth can lead to tooth decay, cavity and gum disease. We should brush our teeth after we eat food. Microbes are very small organisms which can only be seen through a microscope. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.